This is CPD6. Here all CPDs are present. There is three CPDs and non-linear loads, and all non-linear loads are connected and all linear loads are connected. This is for table 8. In table 8, in case 6A, there is with CPD. This is without CPD. The values of without CPD, these values already generated from first circuit, that is CPD1, without CPDs and with all 6 nonlinear loads. And case 6A with CPDs and with all nonlinear loads, we'll get these results from CPD6. This is with CPD. TH is 2.23. Environmental voltage is 9.945 for second bus. This is for VABC3, 3.1 and 0.923, and VABC4, 3.97 and 0.909. And same as VABC5, some 4.91 and 0.9. And these are the three magnitudes of injected currents by IABC, the CPDs. 0.152, 0.12 and 0.121. Next one is CPD7. CPD7 is the case for case 6B. Case 6B with CPD. Here in case 6B, 5 nonlinear loads are there at 5th one, 7th bus, 8th bus, 10th bus and 15th bus. Case 6b is from case 6b with CPD is from CPD 7, and CPD 7 without CPD is case 6b without CPD, and CPD 8 for case 6c. CPD without CPD, CPD 8 without CPD is for case 6c without CPD, and 9 will be case of CPD 9 will be with CPD, case 6d without CPD, 6d will be for CPD 9 without CPD, and CPD 10 circuit is for case 6e with CPD, and case 10 without CPD circuit is for case 6e without CPD. The results will be displayed at that particular circuits. With CPD 7 for case 6b with CPDs. The last circuit is CPD 11, which will display the results of these waveforms. Figure 10 will be displayed at CPD 11. CPD 11. So CPD 11 is having these 1, 2, these 5 cases. First case is 6D, case 6D with 3 nonlinear loads, 3 CPDs, 6C 4 nonlinear loads, 3 CPDs, and 6B 5 nonlinear loads, 3 CPDs, 6A 6 nonlinear loads, 3 CPDs, no CPDs in the last case. So these switching on and switching off of the CPDs and nonlinear loads can be done by this timer block. This timer block will switch on. If it generates 1, then breaker will be closed and nonlinear load will be into the line. If it generates 0, breaker will be open and nonlinear load will be out of the circuit. Similarly, for NL light, let's consider nonlinear load 8 from 0 to 0.03, it will generate 0. That is, breaker will be open. From 0.03, it is generating 1. So breaker will be closed at 0.03 seconds. That is for 6D. There is no 8th nonlinear load. So that's why it is switched off. For remaining cases, 8th nonlinear load is connected, so that it is closed at this by using this timer block. Same as for NL7. NL7 between 0.03 to 0.06, NL7 will be out of the circuit, and for remaining all the time, NL7 will be into the system, to the circuit. Remaining nonlinear loads will also be connected like that only, using those cases.